Have you ever eaten chocolate? And have you ever had an uncle or aunt tell you, don't eat that much chocolate, you're going to get fat? Well, it's just the opposite in this world. Eating more chocolate can help you lose weight. There's studies showing that if you eat more chocolate, it can help in greater waist reduction, lose more fat. And not just that, chocolate has a plethora of benefits. It can help you improve your cardiovascular system. It can help you decrease your cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation in your body, have better mental performance. There are so many benefits to having more chocolate in your diet, and you need more of it. Trust me. But when I say more chocolate, please don't go into those degenerate levels, those Kit Kats, those sugar candies. Nope. I'm not talking about that beat shit chocolate, please. No, those are for kids. Why as an adult are you eating dairy milk, Kit Kat? No. I'm talking about the god level chocolate, the godly chocolate. And ancient people knew that too. Our ancestors used to call chocolate the food of the gods. Chocolate was so valuable that it was called brown gold, and it was also used as money in a lot of civilizations. So they knew what chocolate was. We don't. We have made them into sugar candies. Do you know why? Because big companies wanted to make money on chocolate, right? So they added milk and sugar into it so that they can be more tasty, and then they can get you addicted to it and make more money. I know dark chocolate can be bitter, but the bitterness of dark chocolate is because of polyphenols. And those polyphenols are the reason why chocolate is healthy. I will give you a recipe which I use every day to make dark chocolate taste less bitter and having a real good shake which has good amount of proteins for you. So that will be in the end of the video. But coming back to chocolate. So what does chocolate have? It has cocoa. And cocoa has what? It has polyphenols and flavonoids, right? These are the core of the health benefits coming from chocolate. Cocoa can help you lose fat. And how is that? Well, number one, it makes you feel full. So you're going to eat less. Secondly, it reduces your appetite. You're going to eat less, so you're going to lose weight. Moreover, the flavonoids, it can help you decrease lipogenesis, which means more fat production in your body and fat storage in your body. And it also increases hormones that cause burning of fat, so increased fat metabolism. So you're going to be burning more fat. Moreover, cocoa is also a very good prebiotic. And if you don't know what that means, check my video on gut microbiome for fat loss. So basically, prebiotic is the food for the gut bacteria, and cocoa increases the good bacteria in your gut, and that leads to more fat loss. And there is a very detailed explanation on this in my previous video. So what is the recipe, right? The main ingredient, the star of this show, is this unsweetened cocoa for me. If you don't want this recipe, you can be consuming dark chocolate. 75% to 90% is the place where you should be aiming for. Anything below 75% has too much sugar for you, which is not good for you. So aim for 75% or higher dark chocolates. Otherwise, if it's too bitter for you, you can go with this unsweetened cocoa. Now, how do you make a shake out of it? Peanut butter. Get a peanut butter powder. And if you're allergic to peanut butter, just get whey. Add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa into it. And add 400 ml of milk. That's what I do. So this unsweetened peanut butter powder, which has more protein and reduced fat. So it gives me a shake of around 30 grams of protein with 2 tablespoons of cocoa. So that's good for me. I can have that. Anytime I want to increase the protein content, I add 1 scoop of whey into it. That makes it 60 grams. Sometimes 70 if I increase the milk a bit to dissolve that whey. If I want even more sweetness, I add bananas into it, which I have here. I don't know why, I just have bananas near me. And if you want even more better texture, I would suggest add Greek yogurt. That can go up to 90 to 100 grams of protein in one shake. You can even add 1 more scoop of whey. That has been my mega shake, when I used to bulk, I used to add those mega shake. So it was 2 whey scoops, 1 peanut butter scoop. That is 60 plus 15.75, and I used to add Greek yogurt that was more 10-15 grams. It'd be milk 10-15 grams. You just imagine that with one banana. So it had 1,000 calories or so, but it was worth it. So eat more chocolate, not those kid ones, not those sugar candies, rather dark chocolate, the godly level stuff, and improve your health in a lot of ways. Chocolate, especially dark chocolate, is your way to thrive in this world. I'll see you in the next one, and I want you to eat more chocolates. Goodbye.